Once cleared of its existing insulation, your attic is ready for the spray foam. It's easy and it's quick. The crew wears personal protective equipment, including a breathable mask and gloves, to protect themselves during the application. It is recommended that anyone who is not a spray foam contractor stay away from the workspace a minimum of 50 feet. We also recommend that pets and small children are kept safely away from the workspace. The spray foam crew will apply the liquid in quick, short strokes, allowing for total coverage of the attic floor. Within seconds, a chemical reaction occurs, causing the liquid to expand 100 times its size to become foam. This expansion allows the foam to get into every gap and crack for complete coverage and creates an airtight barrier. After 24 hours, the foam is fully cured and is already helping to reduce any excessive heating or cooling energy use. You'll feel the difference immediately.